Making some colloidal silver. I got a really bad infection. It seems to help. I'm making something here on the front of this. You'll see later what it is. You may have already guessed. I might have already told you. You may have forgotten. Oh, I made this little door here. I'm gonna make more doors too. I'm gonna make one opposite, like over there, so I can reach inside the cage anywhere. I really intended to put that wire on the other side. I got it all made and put it on its hinges. Then I unscrewed it from its hinges and went and laid it on a table. And I thought I had the side laying up that was going to be the inside to nail the screen to, or the hardware cloth. And after I got a couple staples in it, I figured out that it was the wrong side. And I tried to take them out, but once you get those in there, they are there. It's alright though, it's just a chicken tractor. But it looks a lot prettier if you do it the right way. See, it should look like this. Wah, wah. Oh well. Like I said, it's just a chicken tractor, so it doesn't really matter. I'm thinking about putting some trim on it to make it look nice. It is going to be in my yard. It's kind of part of my house. Yeah, I forgot to sign off a while ago when I clicked the camera off. So, later, over and out, signing off. Bye now.